Here's what I need. There's oil in there. I'd like to put the oil in this hole right here.
Confirmed.
Okay, you can do that. And then I'd like to make sure that the petcock is closed on the radiator and add the gallon of antifreeze that's in there. After I prime the engine, I want to put the battery in it and crank the engine over a little bit. And then I want to find top dead center of the compression strokes so that we can set up where the distributor goes in.
Number one plug pulled out then?
The what? Number one plug will need eventually to be pulled out.
On the other side front?
Yes, it is. Very good, Darren.
Josh, why don't you hop down there and I'll tell you what to do, buddy?
While I had the guys installing all the fluids, I was able to go over and tear apart the original distributor for that motor. I was amazed that I was able to go down to Napa and actually buy the original dual point setup and condenser for a 1970 Prestolite dual point distributor. Before you can start the engine, you have to install all the fluids, such as transmission fluid, rear axle grease, motor oil, antifreeze. It's very important that you take a lot of time on a freshly detailed OE engine compartment to make sure that you don't have any spillage.
Oh, Darren!
Put some water in
These
it.
parts are so small, I've got to have
We'll
a
have to
small
clean
pick
it up.
set. Do one of you idiots have it?
We'll have to clean it up.
What?
Okay. Oh, yeah, there's a little spillage over here.
God dang it. I thought of all the things to do to the car. It was this or air up the tires. One of the hardest things to do on these old cars that require the Prestolite dual point distributors is to rebuild them. Why do you reckon it is that I'm the only guy in the whole place that can set up a dual point distributor? No answers? Yeah. I'll tell you why, because I'm the only guy in the place with an IQ over room temperature. There's 2 sets of points in them. They have to be set up specifically to open and close at a particular time. And every second, every hundredth or millionth of a second that they don't open or close at the exact amount of time, you lose power and performance and gas mileage. Yeah, this is the breaker plate. This has to move. 2 is things just like this stupid little clip. Wouldn't want to lose that. I didn't know it was a spring torsion clip, so as soon as I pushed it, it popped off, shot all over the inside, ping-ponged off the inside of my toolbox. Did anybody hear that? Oh, I'm not gonna find that. And I just got super lucky. But see, I was careful though, looking for it. Bobo the circus monkey and his partner up front that just managed to pour water all over the ground, they wouldn't have. They'd have come in through here like the Tasmanian devil, ripped everything out, thrown it on the ground, said it's not there. That's why I'm doing the dual point distributor. That is why.